Hello. My name's Darren Williams. I'll be interacting with you over the next few weeks. I'm a neuroscientist very interested in developmental biology, both of bodies and brains. My lab works on Drosophila Melanogaster and a few other insects actually. And you can see here I'm at an apiary and I'm in my pea suit. I love insects and their nervous systems and the way that they behave. So a little bit about me. I'm from a place called Cardiff in South Wales. I grew up there and did my early education there. So I went to a comprehensive school in that city, and it was a good school, bit rough, and not many people went to university in that school, but it was a good place. Then I didn't do great in my A-levels, and I was really lucky in a way, for me at least. I ended up going to a place called Portsmouth Polytechnic and did marine biology there as an undergraduate. After that I did a master's in oceanography at Southampton University, and then stayed in Southampton to learn a bit about molecular biology because I wanted to apply it to population dynamics and population ecology, but ended up getting interested in the lab I worked in was working on transgenesis in fish, and I became blown away by zebrafish, and you'll see some zebrafish while you're here in the department. Very common model now. I then stayed in Southampton and did a postdoc in a fly lab that I'd been going in and stealing reagents from during my PhD, and learnt all about fly nervous systems. I was highly influenced by a friend who is an amateur entomologist, so really enjoyed working on insects. I then did a postdoc in Seattle at the University of Washington, and my work is there focused on the role of hormones and how the nervous system is remodeled during metamorphosis. So as I said, we're really interested in how the nervous system develops, particularly the part of the nervous system which is analogous to the spinal cord in invertebrates, the ventral cord, and the components and how the components are made in that region. Also, we're interested in the lab in trees and how neuronal tree-like structures, arborizations, are generated using lots of live imaging, looking inside insects, looking through the skin of insects at the peripheral systems to see trees growing. So anyway, I'm looking forward to interacting with you, and I'll just finish off by showing you some bees and hopefully not get stung. Here's a few hives. These aren't my hives are just around the corner. This is one batch. Mine are on the other side of that massive bush. So anyway, looking forward to interacting with you. See you soon. Bye.